Hello, this is Brooks with Thompson Machine. The question we get asked a lot is what is the difference between our three models of Zephyr suppressor? And we make the Zephyr, the original Zephyr, we make the Zephyr Light, the Zephyr-L, we make the Zephyr-XL, which is the Zephyr Extra Large. Anyway, I'll run through them today and shoot them, of course, because what's good showing if you don't shoot them, right? So anyway, so we've got the original Zephyr. It's got a steel tube, 5.95 inches long, standard 1 inch in diameter. A really nice quiet can, weighs in about 5.5 ounces. Super easy to take apart, just like everything we do, monocore and threadless tube. So this is a steel tube, as I said, about 5.5 ounces. This is the Zephyr-L, which is Zephyr Light. This is a 6061 hard anodized tube instead of steel. It is right at about 3 ounces. So you know you're have some weight savings if weight's a premium to you. You may want to go with the Zephyr Light at the same price, at the same size, and they sound right about the same. There's a little bit of pitch difference because of the different tube, but you really almost can't tell the difference at all. So we got the Zephyr, we got the Zephyr-L, and then we've got the Zephyr-XL, which instead of being a standard 1 inch diameter is actually 1 1/8 inch diameter. So this is about 6.5 inches long by 1 1/8 diameter. It's about 7.5 ounces. It's a lot larger volume, obviously, but it's still not really that big. It looks big next to these, but it's really not that big. The advantage of this can, these are both 22 Magnum rated and 17 HMR rated on rifle length barrels. This is 22 Magnum and 17 HMR rated on everything. You can shoot, it's full auto rated, super tough. These are also full auto rated, but this can is a beast. It's the most beastly, toughest 22 can we make. So anyway, and also you get a little bit more reduction with the larger volume. So this can's doing about 40 to 41 dB, so it's one of the quietest cans in the market. Anyway, I'll shoot them all for you so you can see the difference, but first we'll put a couple rounds through our trusty SR22P, CCI standard velocity, unsuppressed, so you can see how horribly loud it is. That's quite enough of that. So that's unsuppressed, obviously. And we'll put the, we'll go Zephyr first. How about that? So standard Zephyr. All of these are, of course, threaded the standard .528 to go on all your 22 long rifle firearms. So now we've got CCI standard velocity, Ruger SR22P, and the Thompson Machine Zephyr. So as you can hear, big difference. Pretty much mechanical action noise only. So that's the Zephyr. We'll shoot the Zephyr-L next. And as I said, because of the Zephyr's got a steel tube, the Zephyr-L's got a 6061 anodized tube, there's a little teeny difference in tone. I doubt it'll come through on the camera, but there's really no difference in loudness. So now the Thompson Machine Zephyr-L. That's what the Zephyr-L sounds like. And now we'll shoot the Zephyr-XL. And what I always tell customers is, if size and weight is a premium to you, if you want a tiny can, and the Zephyr-L you really can't even feel on the end of the host gun. I mean, it's just like it's not there. If that's a premium to size and weight are a premium to you, go with the Zephyr or the Zephyr-L. You can't go wrong. If you want the absolute quietest, go Zephyr-XL or ISIS 22. And the ISIS 22 is basically the 6061 version of the Zephyr-XL. So you really can't go wrong with any of the four, really. But we just figured we'd give you options. We're rimfire nuts around here, so you can't have too many 22 cans. There you have it. That's the Thompson Machine Zephyr-XL. So can't go wrong with any of them. All really nice. All super easy to take apart and clean. Just show you really quick, just so you see. Easy as can be. core comes right out, goes right back together. Doesn't get much easier, just brush it off with a nylon brush and oil it up, put it back together. But there you have it, the Thompson Machine Zephyr, the Zephyr-L, and the Zephyr-XL.